Stop. Stay right there. Don't move. You're throwing the seat. Put your legs in the car. No, you're not sorry. No, you're not sorry. Put your legs in the car. Shut up. You want me to shut? Get in the car.
Tell me shut up.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
I just did.
Put your hands.
Get in the car.
Put your hands.
In the car. Just have a seat. In the car.
What begins as a routine DUI stop quickly spirals into chaos. As officers investigate suspected impaired driving, a passenger's actions escalate the situation even further. Two people, two sets of decisions. What happens next shows how fast a simple stop can turn serious.
Four signal one. Ma'am, I do not care.
My friends live at the inn, and they were going to rent the place, and so
Okay.
we're going to move their plan.
Do me a favor, step out of the car. Turn off the vehicle and step out.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any guns, knives, drugs, bombs, anything crazy in the car? Okay, ma'am, I'm talking to her, not you. Step over here.
Yes, sir.
Alcohol-impaired driving contributes to nearly 1/3 of all traffic fatalities nationwide. With over 12,000 deaths in a single year, deputies are legally obligated to investigate signs of impairment to prevent potentially deadly outcomes.
How much you had to drink today?
I had a drink at Overseas,
a
and we were
drink?
coming. Well, two
Ma'am.
drinks.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
let me explain something. There's somebody who's been behind you. Stay in the car.
That's
Shut the
fine.
door right now and stay in the car. A car got behind you. They've been behind you the entire time. You've been reported as all over the road. I then pull into here. You pull, hold on. You pull out of Tom Thumb without even paying attention to oncoming traffic. Then you pull into here, make a wide right-hand turn. You're driving in the, hold on. You're driving in the grass.
Right.
I light you up all the way at the top of the street. Then you continue to drive down the street.
You know,
Okay.
I know that doesn't mean.
Stay in the car. Shut the door now. Just stay right here.
The passenger's actions now create a separate criminal offense. Interfering with a lawful DUI investigation or discarding potential evidence constitutes obstruction under Florida law. These actions give deputies independent probable cause to detain and arrest the passenger.
Ma'am, if I have to tell you to stop doing again, you know what? Step out. Step out. Step out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
What am I doing?
Stop. Stay right there. Don't move. You're throwing out of the car.
I did not.
Okay, where'd that come from?
I'm so sorry. It's not that.
Ma'am,
It's really not.
have a seat.
Please,
Have a
I
seat.
kids.
Have a seat. Put your legs in the car. No, you're not sorry.
not bad.
No, you're not sorry.
No, I'm
Put your legs in the car.
It's 'cause of
Put
the
your
car.
legs in the car.
Okay.
You're this close to me taking you to jail. Just shut your mouth and let me do my job. Put your leg in the car.
Please.
Question for you. You're operating a vehicle.
Right.
It's very clear to me that you have had way too much to drink today. You're slurring your speech. I can smell it on you. Your driving pattern.
Whatever you need me to do, I'll
Are you
do that
willing
for
to
you.
do field sobriety
Yes, sir.
exercises? Okay. Stay right
Don't
there.
hurt.
You see this blue light right here?
Yes, sir.
I want you to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Wherever this blue light goes, your eyes are going to follow. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, not your head. Keep your head straight, just your eyes and
Yes,
your eyes
sir.
only.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right.
That's
What?
not my problem.
That's my problem right now.
I just
Okay.
all I can hear is her. And it's
Don't worry about her. You're worried about me because right now,
Yes, sir.
right now the criminal investigation is on you. Okay.
All right.
She's already got her own issues.
All right.
Field sobriety tests are not pass or fail exams. They are investigative tools used to identify impairment clues in balance, coordination, and attention. One key test, the horizontal gaze nystagmus, looks for involuntary jerking of the eyes, a known indicator of alcohol impairment. These observations help deputies establish probable cause for a DUI arrest before a dangerous situation turns into a tragedy.
I stopped the car. I'm trying to talk to this young lady. We bring her back here. We're talking. We're having a conversation. This one's throwing evidence out of the car. I've told her like 3 or 4 times to stop. Finally, I just detained her. I'm at the point to where I...
Destruction of evidence?
Yep, destruction of evidence and obstruction, so...
Perfect.
That tequila bottle was something, she started dumping out a bunch of booze and stuff out of the car.
Okay.
Okay.
So she is my neighbor.
Ma'am, okay, we're not worried about her right now. I'm worried about you.
Yes, sir.
Okay? You see this line? What I want you to do is I want you to put your left foot on that line. Are you going to do it barefoot or with?
I'm gonna 10. 2, 3, 4, 10.
Okay. All right. Last thing I'm going to ask you to do, face me right here. All right. Put your feet together and your arms down your sides like this. Okay. While doing this, keep your eye on your toe at all times. Keep your arms down at your side and count out loud. Do not stop once you've begun. Okay. Okay. Listen, like this. We're not standing like Karate Kid. We're standing like this. Okay.
Right, yes.
All right.
Yes, sir.
You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, I haven't. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, ma'am.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence. Do you understand?
Right. Well, you have to have a blood test.
I don't have to have anything. I have enough probable cause to arrest you right now.
Well, I understand.
Okay.
Please! I'm severely claustrophobic, please.
Can you stop screaming?
No, I'm claustrophobic. I can't.
Listen, you're not getting out of the car.
Why the tire? At least open the door, please.
You're going to
I
jail.
promise. For what?
I think he already told you.
I'm not doing anything. I just need the door open, please.
You want to scoot out so you could sit
But
back?
you want to help me? Here, go ahead. Go ahead. Grab it.
All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Step out.
Smash my face.
I didn't do anything. All right, now have a seat back in. Now have a seat. Good. Now scoot your butt back and swing your feet in. Scoot back.
What am I doing wrong?
Scoot back.
What am I doing wrong?
I don't know, lady. I'm not
ahead.
the one that put you in
Go
the
ahead.
handcuffs. Sit back inside. Sit back inside the car. Please, I don't want to have
No,
to use
put your
any
hands on me.
forms. I don't want to
Put
put
your
my
hands on
hand.
me.
What's your question? What did you
Put
do
your
wrong?
hands on
What
me.
did you do wrong? From the get-go, from the moment you were stopped, you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do. You open
I
the. Well, shut
listen
up.
to you.
Shut up. You want me to
Hey,
tell? Get in the car.
Tell me shut up.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
I just did.
Put your hands.
Get in the car.
Put your
Get in the
hands.
car. In the car. Just
Go
have a
ahead.
seat.
In the car.
Go
Jesus
ahead.
Christ.
Giving you a
Why?
lawful order. This inside.
Go ahead. Why? Why?
Hey, what? Let me ask you. What else would your friend have been throwing out of the car other than the booze?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Your license should be in the center console, correct?
Yeah, my license should be in the center console.
What color is your purse?
I don't have a purse because I'm like a dude.
All right. You know what? Do me a favor.
May I show you?
For my safety, step back off.
Did she throw something out the window besides the bottle? Because there's like shake everywhere.
Yeah, she
That don't have nothing to do with.
What did she have in the car? Like, I want you to be honest with me. What I'm
Yes, sir.
asking you.
But I don't know.
What I'm at.
I don't
what?
know. I don't know about that.
What drugs did she have in the car with her?
I don't-
Like powder inside. We couldn't get a positive test on the cocaine, so it might have been some sort of heroin.
You didn't
Yeah.
ingest anything, did you?
No, sir.
Sure.
I promise you.
I mean, not because I'm trying to jam you up. I just don't want you dying.
no,
on
sir.
me, okay?
No, sir.
That's what I care about
I'm
you.
ready to
believe it or
go.
not. You're ready to go.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
Hey, it happens, right?
Yeah, it does.
I cannot let you out. No.
Can you like, move my hair?
You need to calm down.
Can you move my hair? I'm fine.
Can I move your hair? You realize how stupid this is, right? Okay. What's wrong with your hair? It's in your face. I'm not worried about you being mean to me. It's about following instructions.
I know. I'm trying. I'm just
Okay.
scared. It's in my mouth.
It's in your mouth.
Thank you.
Did you eat something?
No.
Okay.
There's nothing in my system you could drug test.
I'm not about to drug test. I'm asking because I don't want you to die in the back of my car. That's why I'm asking. Okay. Okay, you will see a judge first thing in the morning.
So my kids get to see a failed
Your kids
mother.
what? Who's with your babies right now? Their dad. Is their dad a good dad? Okay.
I'm a good mom.
Okay. I never said you weren't. You guys are just like, yeah, you made a dumb mistake today. Do you have any cigarettes?
Yeah,
Let me get one.
I got cigs.
Not for me. It's for maybe I can get her to calm down a little bit.
Why?
Della, chill. Come here.
Somewhere.
You want a cigarette or not?
Please.
Come here.
Yeah, let me do that.
Well, you got yourself all the way on the
How
other.
do you want me to?
You got yourself all the way over there, didn't you?
Prior to transport, the passenger began showing signs of distress, including panic and claustrophobia. The deputy remained calm and took steps to help de-escalate the situation, even offering her a cigarette to help her regain composure. While not required, actions like this demonstrate professionalism and the importance of maintaining control through calm and measured response.
My hair.
I mean, I don't know what you want me to do with your hair.
Just move it.
listen.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
And at the same time, obstruction. How many times did I ask you to stop trying to get out of the car? How many? 3 times. Finally, on the 3rd time, when the bottles came clanging out the car and you could see you tossing from the car, yeah, that's whenever I came over and pulled you out of the car and put you in cuffs. And then when I'm asking you to get out of the car and trying to put you, then I'm trying to put you in cuffs, you're trying to pull away from me. That's kind of where we're at. You're out of the car right now, your handcuffs are in the front, you have a cigarette. If you cause me any issue on the way to the Key West jail, the cuffs are going back behind both y'all's backs. You're probably going to get hobbled, which means I'm going to tie your legs together so you can't move at all and stick you in the seat.
Please don't do this.
Della, we're past that point.
But I didn't do anything.
Okay, I've already explained it to you like 4 times. I've already explained it to you.
Overreacted.
How's overreacting? What overreacting? It wasn't even dealing with you. I was dealing with your driver who and you're not listening to me. Now you're making me question my safety because I'm trying to talk to your driver and I'm having to focus on you while she's here talking to me. How hard is it to stay in the car, to not move? How hard is that to do?
Or is it to be schizophrenic by both?
Ma'am, you are a passenger in a car. From the moment I stop you, you're running your mouth, you're running your mouth, you're running your mouth. I'm trying to talk to Elizabeth. I'm not worried about you. I'm worried about why your driver is drunk and driving the way she is. Okay? You see what I'm saying?
I'm so good. I have 2 babies.
It's stupid. It's stupid. This is dumb.
So sorry.
Go ahead and have a seat for me. I'm going to leave the cuffs in the front instead of putting...
DUI investigations are governed by clear legal standards. When deputies observe impairment, obstruction, or resistance, Florida law authorizes arrest based on probable cause. These legal safeguards exist to protect both public safety and the rights of everyone involved. Before we wrap up, I would like to take a moment to say thank you. My name is Leo. I am a veteran and a former police officer. I truly appreciate you spending your time here and supporting my family through this channel. Your viewership and engagement genuinely mean a great deal to us. Please stay safe and God bless.